Word crashed and you lost your work. If you find an ASD file in your hidden folders, that is your autosave. Do not delete it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's recover your text right now. As a seasoned technician, I always suggest have a robust file viewer ready to go. It often opens ASD files that Windows rejects outright. My recommendation below. The ASD exists as a specialized, self-contained unit within the backup file structure. The Word autosave file provides the necessary schema for validation. The ASD file is a temporary automatic backup file created by Microsoft Word. It functions as a buffer, holding the most recent changes to a document in memory during an editing session. Its sole purpose is data recovery in the event of a program crash or system failure. Developed by Microsoft, the format is transient and unstructured. The file is saved in the event of a crash and requires the Microsoft Word application to correctly read its internal structure and attempt to recover the document's content. Attempting to open it manually will usually result in garbled or unreadable text. The designated application for the ASD file is Microsoft Word from Microsoft Corporation. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows typically can't unpack backup formats, so a dedicated tool must handle their restoration. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the ASD file and hit Open With. Use Microsoft Word if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If the ASD file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, use Recover Unsaved Documents. Open Word, go to File. Open. Recent, and click Recover Unsaved Documents at the bottom of the window to open the folder where .asd files are stored. Next, open via file path. Manually navigate to the default save location for ASD files. %appdate or sent Microsoft Words and attempt to open the file from there. Finally, save as doc. Once the file is open, immediately use File. Save as to save it as a permanent .docx or doc file to prevent future loss. If earlier methods failed, it's clear the ASD file needs a more capable solution. Using the specialized tool is the right move to finally try and get this file open. This is the moment to stop struggling with standard software limitations on your ASD file. Your professional solution is FileMagick, a universal viewer that ignores standard restrictions. You can find it at filemagick.com. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.